AppSumo launched 6 new deals today, so I'm going to tell you what they are and give you my general hot take. First, we have Subscriber, which is a vidIQ alternative. Then we have SEO for Retail and NoCode-X and MultiLipi, and Linguix is coming back, which is a Grammarly alternative. And lastly, we have ExpenseMonkey. I put all of these in my personal Notion doc of the newest and best AppSumo deals I find every week. Now, if you want free access to this Notion spreadsheet, just click the link in my description. Now, if you don't want to browse this Notion doc and just want to browse on AppSumo, they were kind enough to create a special profile with all of my recommended AppSumo deals right here, and some of the most popular videos all in one place. Now, I do expect this page to be updated regularly, so feel free to check it out by clicking the link in my description. ExpenseMonkey. So this is an expense management software, right? And it's primarily built for freelancers, solopreneurs, small teams, and small businesses. They also have an app so you can keep track of all of your expenses while you are traveling. So with this expense management software, you can manually create a business expense like what you see right here. You can also organize it by category, various categories, and also add special custom comments for more important details about this specific purchase. What's also nice is that they also have a mobile app for both Android and Apple, which allows you to scan receipts. You can also review and approve your team's expenses and everything that the desktop app offers. Not only can you view expense reports of your whole team, but you can bill clients using itemized reports. And you can track which expenses have been approved, already reimbursed, and which are still pending. Now, this is a brand new deal on AppSumo, and it starts at $59 for license tier 1. Now, keep in mind that these prices that you see right here will actually be increasing in a little over 5 days. Now, I really like how this AppSumo plan is structured because regardless of which license tier you get, you will be granted all of the features. The only difference between each tier is the total number of seats you have for your account. So if you are a solopreneur, a consultant, then I think license tier 1 would be just fine. But if you do plan on growing your business or if you have a small team, then I would recommend going for a higher tier. And keep in mind that this AppSumo deal is tied to all future premium plan updates. Linguix. So this is a Grammarly alternative that allows you to correct your spelling and grammar basically on any website. And it also has AI built in to help improve your grammar as you are typing. So very similarly to Grammarly, Linguix automatically detects and corrects grammatical errors as you type, enabling you to enhance the quality and clarity of your content as you are typing it out. You can also instantly rephrase any highlighted section, as you can see right here, to improve its readability and clarity for your audience. And what's nice, I think this is one of my favorite features, you could speed up your writing by using shortcuts for the emails that you write and also sales pitches that you type out. So if you see yourself writing the same emails day in and day out, you could save those specific snippets of text and can pull them up by using shortcuts. And say, for example, if you are using Microsoft Word and you want your final text to be on there, what you can do before writing on Microsoft Word is you can prep your content using Linguix's web editor. And then once you are done writing and editing your text in the web editor, you can copy it all in one click and then paste it anywhere you want. So Linguix was one of the favorites on AppSumo, and they are back for $59 for a single code. Now, this AppSumo deal is not bad either because it gives you all of the features regardless of how many codes you get, and you can get up to 10 codes. And the only difference is the total number of team members that can be in your account. And I think for most of us, either the single or double code would be sufficient. You know, with the single code, you do have 3 team members already. And this AppSumo deal is tied to all future business plan updates. Now, they have been updating this tool, and the founder posted a list of the major updates So they have the tone improvement tool to improve the tone of your copy. There is a text humanizer feature. There's also inline translations. There is a grammar checking widget. And it looks like they're testing a new language model that improves the accuracy of the grammar checker. Their AI also has enhanced paraphrasing, and they expanded the language support. So the tool now works in 30 plus languages. So I do like how they have been improving the tool over time. MultiLipi. Now this tool uses AI to translate your entire website so that it can reach more people, speak to more people, also get more traffic from search engines, and of course get more business from your website. Now this is great because you don't need to hire a professional translator anymore if you use this tool. Now one of the benefits of translating your copy on your website is to have your website show up on Google across the web. So if your website is written in the user's native language, it'll help improve the user experience. It'll also rank higher in search engines. You can, of course, reach more people because your copy is in their language, and it'll improve the conversion rates. Now this tool also translates other things as well, like the URLs. There's also localized keyword optimization, so it integrates locally relevant keywords, boosting rankings and relevance in regional searches. There's also hreflang tag implementation as well, which is very important if you have a page that's translated into a different language. You must have hreflang tags. And there is structured data localization, so it customizes structured data in local languages, ensuring accurate and appealing search listings. They also have a dashboard as well, so you can invite your team members to manage and edit your translations. You can also track site analytics, word count, domain settings, and project tasks all in the dashboard. And to make it very easy, you can save frequently used terms and phrases in your custom glossary like what you see right here. Now, MultiLipi is a brand new deal on AppSumo, and it starts at $59 for license tier 1. Now with tier 1, you get 100,000 translated words. So depending on the size of your website, this could be sufficient, but I think for most of us, this might be on the lower end. So I recommend getting at least license tier 2. Now, if you want the export and import functionality and also translation memory, then you would need to get license tier 3 or higher. And the highest tier is tier 5, which gives you the most limits. And keep in mind that this AppSumo deal is tied to our future business or growth plan updates. NoCode-X. So this is an AI tool that helps you build apps. So what's unique about this tool is that security is one of their main priorities. So you have the ability to view audit logs to track any changes to your database, including like who created what was updated, and also view any deleted data as well. So this tool is primarily meant for non-developers. So they make it easy by allowing you to drag and drop pre-built functions to program your web app, and there's 400 pre-built functions to trigger whatever action you need. Now this tool also helps create web pages. So as you can see, you can drag and drop elements anywhere on the page, and you can adjust things like the sizes, the colors of the elements, and padding without modifying any CSS. And to speed things up with developing your app, you could create reusable components and full stack applications using the AI. NoCode-X is currently a Plus exclusive. It's a brand new deal on AppSumo as well. So for the next 5 days, this tool is only available to Plus members. So if you are interested in grabbing this tool, you would need to subscribe to AppSumo Plus to grab this deal at the current prices with an additional 10% off. So it is a little cheaper than what you see right here. Now this deal only has 3 tiers, okay? And it starts at $59 for tier 1. And what's nice is that regardless of which tier you get, all of the features that you see here will be available to you. And keep in mind that this AppSumo deal is tied to all future One Core plan updates. SEO for retail. So this is a new SEO tool that is meant for primarily e-commerce websites, okay? So it automatically writes your product and category descriptions to help save you time and rank higher in search engines. So the way that SEO for retail works is that you first need to answer a few questions about your product, and then it will optimize your listings, your category and product descriptions with keywords. And to make it fit your brand, you can set the tone of voice, the language, and content guidelines for each product description. Now, I think this is great for agencies because you can create thousands of product descriptions very fast. So if you have multiple clients, you could create these descriptions really quickly. So all you do is simply enter your business information to generate your product description at scale. And if you have hundreds of thousands of products, you can upload your product database via an Excel file or CSV file, and then the AI will automatically generate SEO optimized descriptions. And this is a brand new deal on AppSumo as well, and it starts at $59 for license tier 1. So the higher tier you get will give you more limits, and you can get up to license tier 5. Now regarding the credits per month, so credit churn, so 5 AI credits for a product description, which is between 200 to 300 words, and 8 AI credits for a category description, which will be 600 to 800 words. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So if you do the math, like if you have maybe 30 products, then that would take up 150 credits. And if you use up those credits, then you would need to wait for the next month. But if you get license tier 2, then you can generate 90 product descriptions with the 450 credits per month that are allotted to you. So I feel like license tier 1 might be on the lower end. I feel like if you have 30 products, you could just manually write those descriptions yourself and also the categories. I think this becomes more valuable if you have multiple e-commerce websites, or if you have a lot of SKUs and you need to write tons and tons of descriptions and categories, then this would be very helpful. So if you have a small e-commerce website, I probably wouldn't get this. Only get it if you are an agency or if you have a large e-commerce store. Subscriber. Now this is for all of the YouTubers out there, okay? So this is a tool that helps research, plan, and write YouTube scripts so that you can publish viral ready videos. So as you can see, it'll generate full scripts for you. They also have chat built in, so you could use their chat to analyze competitor channels, videos, and topics to help generate new angles for your own channel. And as you could see, the AI will generate a table with different video ideas along with the title and the angle you should take it. The tool will also help generate hooks for you. I think this is very important because with any YouTube video, the hook is very important, and the hook is usually the first 3 to 30 seconds of a video. So it's nice that you could use this tool to generate a list of hooks. So you're not doing it yourself. Find the one that fits your video and use it for your script. And you can also create your channel's voice so that the AI knows how to generate content that sounds like you and not just from, a generic AI prompt. Now this new AppSumo deal starts at $59 for license tier 1. Now I'm not sure how helpful license tier 1 is because you don't have any script writing credits, you can't connect your channel, and you can't invite any additional users. And basically all of these features are locked out of tier 1. So I would say tier 1 is pretty useless. You would need to get at least license tier 2, which gives you 20 script writing credits per month. You can connect to one channel, invite one user, and it'll unlock all of these features. And I think for most of us, license tier 2 would be sufficient. Now you can get up to license tier 5, which gives you unlimited channels you can connect and unlimited users. And this AppSumo deal is tied to various tiers. So tier 1 just gives you the chat only feature. Tier 2 gives you the ideation plan. And then the next tier is the creator. It's tied to the creator plan. and then automation, and then the highest one is the scale plan updates. Now I put all of this week's deals in my Notion spreadsheet. Now this spreadsheet, keep in mind, also has other non-AppSumo tools that you could use to grow your business. So if you want free access to this Notion doc, feel free to click the link in my description. Now, if you don't want that Notion doc, feel free to check out my profile on AppSumo. It has some of my favorite deals and also some of the most popular YouTube videos I've recently published. So feel free to click here to check out my profile on AppSumo. And if you want to keep watching, feel free to click this video right here. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know by smashing that like button and also subscribing to my channel. So with that said, thank you, and I will see you in the next one.